Hello, I'm Adam from Motor Match Chester, and today I'll be taking you around in a previous vehicle. New in stock with this fantastic Kia ProCeed 1.6 litre CRDi GT-Line DCT. This 2017 registered vehicle comes to us in superb condition throughout, boasting just 45,500 miles on the clock from 3 previous owners. This car has a full service history and is finished in track red solid paint. This car has automatic headlight control and BAS, which is brake assist system. The car also has the LED daytime running lights as well. The Kia has standard 17-inch alloy wheels. The boot is nice and spacious, featuring lots of space for a small hatchback. It also has extra trays underneath the boot liner. This car is the 3-door version, and all the seats are finished in the cross-stitch faux leather inserts with black with silver stitching. The electric windows are controlled via the buttons on the door, and here is the inside of the car. The car has lots of functionality, featuring stainless steel pedals and an automatic gearbox. There's also USB, an AUX cable, a manual handbrake, 2 cup holders and an armrest. Inside the user interface, we can head to radio. You can load up any of the presets that are already loaded into the car. You can also play your own media. You can also load up the map to see where you are, and also you can plan your own route using the sat-nav. You can also go back to the menu by pressing the settings button. There's also a sleep function for those late night drives where you don't want the screen on. Under the screen is the physical air conditioning controls and the 12-volt port. Moving over to the steering wheel, it is multifunctional, where the buttons on the steering wheel also help you control the music, and also the hands-free options on the steering wheel as well. As this car is an automatic, it also has the flappy paddles behind the steering wheel. The ability to control the mirrors is just under the right vent, as well as some extra options such as the automatic headlight controls. There are 3 dials: speed, fuel and revs. There is also a sunglasses holder by the rearview mirror. RAC extended warranties are now available. For more information or to book a test drive, please give us a call on 01244 311 404 or inquire now online. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you soon at Motor Match Chester.